Across the world's tropical and subtropical landscapes, a humble, creeping plant often goes unnoticed. Yet its story is one of profound resilience and global utility. Grona triflora, commonly known as creeping tick trefoil.
The specific epithet triflora refers to its small, pea-shaped flowers, which are typically borne in axillary clusters of 1 to 5, displaying shades of reddish, pinkish, or purplish, beyond its role as a common ground cover in pasture legume.
This isn't just a simple weed. It's a mat-forming perennial legume, a quiet architect of the soil. Its prostrate, dense growth makes it an exceptional living ground cover, preventing erosion and stabilizing fragile environments. A capability highly valued in agriculture, where it provides high-protein forage for grazing animals. But its true significance stretches back centuries in traditional medicine. From Southeast Asia to the Caribbean, preparations from its small, trifoliate leaves have been applied topically to staunch bleeding and heal wounds, and consumed internally to soothe digestive ailments and reduce fever. Modern science is catching up, studying the rich cocktail of alkaloids and flavonoids in the plant, linking its traditional uses to potential anti-diabetic and antimicrobial properties. Finally, as a member of the bean family, the grana plays a vital, hidden role in the ecosystem. It performs atmospheric nitrogen fixation, quietly enriching the soil beneath it and feeding the plants that grow around it. The next time you see this low-lying, pink-flowered creeper, recognize it not as an obstacle, but as a silent powerhouse of natural engineering and traditional healing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel to get more knowledge with us. Wild IQ.